You are watching this channel from long time, since we were growing and experimenting Oxalis Triangularis plants together. Today we will do something new with Oxalis plants. As you might have different Oxalis plants at your collection, green leafy Oxalis, purple Oxalis, zebra Oxalis, and many more. By the way, we will try to put Oxalis into new soil mix and see how it works. Do not skip anything so you don't miss any important part of this video, so let's do that. This is my Oxalis plant, and today we're going to repot it using a fresh new soil mix. If your Oxalis isn't growing well or looks like it's struggling, this video might help. Take a look at the current soil. It's tough, compact, and feels more like hard clay due to excess sand. That's a big issue because Oxalis prefers well-draining soil that also holds moisture. In this kind of soil, the roots can't breathe properly, and you'll often notice dry, brittle branches as a result. To keep your Oxalis healthy, it's important to give it the right soil conditions. So, let's gently remove it from this tough mix and get it into something much better for its growth. Here's the new soil mix we're preparing. 10% crushed eggshells for calcium, 30% vermicompost for rich nutrients, 20% cocoa peat to hold moisture, and 30% sand for drainage. Altogether, this makes a balanced 100% mix, perfect for healthy root growth. I'm preparing to take out my old Oxalis plant from a tough soil mix. This soil has more sand and clay, making it quite hard and compact, so I need to be extra careful while loosening it. Using gentle hands and a small tool, I slowly break the soil around the base. The goal is to remove the plant without damaging the delicate bulbs underneath. It takes a bit of patience, but saving those bulbs is worth it. And here we go. One clean lift, bulbs intact. After carefully rescuing the Oxalis bulb from that tough soil mix, the first thing I do is check the buds. I want to make sure they're still healthy and safe. But honestly, this one looks like it's in pretty poor condition. It's lost most of its tiny root system, which is not a great sign. Still, I'm not giving up. I'm going through the rest of the soil to see if I can find any more bulbs or buds hiding inside. Sometimes, even in rough conditions, a few healthy ones survive. Let's see what we can save. It's time to prepare the perfect soil mix to give it a new home. First, I'm starting with 10% crushed eggshells. These will provide essential calcium to help strengthen the plant's cell walls and support healthy growth. Next, I'm adding 30% vermicompost. This will enrich the soil with nutrients, helping the plant thrive and encouraging strong roots. For moisture retention, I'm adding 20% cocoa peat. It holds just the right amount of water, ensuring the bulb doesn't dry out too quickly. Then, to improve drainage, I'm mixing in 30% sand. This will keep the soil from getting too compact and ensure that the roots have enough air. Finally, I'm adding a small portion of charcoal mixed with perlite. Charcoal helps with odor control, and perlite increases aeration, making the soil light and easy to work with. Now, we have a perfect blend that's well-draining, yet retains moisture, packed with nutrients, and ideal for the Oxalis bulb. Let's get it planted. After planting the Oxalis bulb into its fresh new soil, the first week is crucial. You'll need to give it some extra care during this time. The soil will dry out faster than usual, so it's important to check on it daily. Make sure to water the plant, or at least keep the soil moist. I recommend watering once a day, but not too much. Be careful not to place the plant in direct sunlight during this recovery period, as it might stress the bulb. I'll be posting an update video on how it's doing in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others.